Jai Hind everyone. Today I am going to talk about OPEC and OPEC Plus. OPEC stands for Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. It was formed in 1960. So it was a group of major oil farming companies. It was formed due to the earlier the 1960 Western oil companies uh, ruled the oil prices and maintain the oil export for the whole world. So, by to save the natural resources of the countries, these countries come together and form the group named as OPEC. OPEC controls over 30% of global oil export and holds for 80% global oil reserve. Now, after some years, USA formed a group and a technology to uh, to drill the oil more by the technology. So OPEC countries need for the new grouping, and it expanded the group and formed as OPEC Plus. This OPEC Plus also includes Russia as a leader. Now this OPEC Plus nearly holds for 40 to 50% global oil export and also maintain the eliminate the fluctuation from the oil prices. And these countries together vote unanimously when to raise the prices of oil and when to decrease the prices of oil. And one more fact about the OPEC is that its headquarters is in Austria, which is not a country and not a member of OPEC. Now, recently, UAE has uh, left the grouping of OPEC and has become an independent member from the OPEC grouping. At the last, I would say that OPEC has maintained the oil prices and control of the oil for the whole world. By counting some challenges which the OPEC is facing, the stability for the oil and the energy for the whole world can be controlled. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.